like I said, I'm going to be very calm.
Yeah.
One of the biggest problems that we have in this country is what kind of an opposition party have we got? What kind? What are we being told by what he has just said? That if next time around, Chamisa wins victory over, in the unlikely event, over ZANU-PF, somebody in ZANU-PF must then say, we are politically, we don't think that the election was correct. We go to court, the court says no, Chamisa won. Then we say no, we don't recognize Chamisa ourselves, like they've done. And they are calling themselves a constitutional democracy. In my view, there is something wrong with the constitution that we have. Constitution itself.
Well, what is wrong?
What is wrong with the constitution? That it was drafted for regime change. It was drafted for the opposition. It was paid for by the people who started the movement for democratic change.
How is that?
Let me just explain. I'm going to explain that.
Let's deal with this one.
Yeah.
How do you say that when we know all of us participated in the constitution making process? How does it become that?
Let me tell you. I participated in COPAC on behalf of ZANU-PF.
Yes.
As far as we are concerned, many people in this country believe that the people who funded the constitutional making process were the Western countries, and they put in clauses there that were specifically put in to achieve the following scenario. They funded the opposition newspapers, then they put in a clause also to make sure that even the state media itself was also closed to ZANU-PF, thinking that that is how Zimbabweans, they need a media to see through the emptiness of political agendas that people are correcting in this country. Somebody in Bringa who has never, they listen to Radio Zambia, majority of them, not even here. So they don't need a radio station for them to decide how to go and vote. But if your political party is completely empty, and I'm telling you now, the biggest danger to this constitutional democracy that they think they have is the organization called the CCC. They are the biggest danger to this country. It is a very dangerous organization because everybody understands in the unlikely event that they were ever to get power, we are guaranteed that there will be a civil war in this country.
How is that? How is that? I know, Ostalos, you want to come in, but he has raised an issue that your organization is a danger. I just want him to explain to
how
us
dangerous it is.
How are you saying it's going to lead to a civil war if they win the election?
When Chamisa says at a rally, vote for CCC, within 5 days whites will come back and bring in money. That's a very highly offensive statement. You can't tell.
He has said investors.
Investors are white investors. Yeah. Whites will come back. That's I have him on tape, and we'll be playing it for the tape on a daily basis for people to hear what him say so.
Okay.
That's a very dangerous thing to say, because I'm telling you now, the majority of people in Zimbabwe will never accept a CCC government without a civil war first having been fought. That's what I think.
What is wrong with whites coming to this country? Because I know, for instance, you're a supporter of ZANU-PF, and I know the president has been said we are going on an offensive for re-engagement and engagement.
Yeah.
With the same people.
There's a perception that the CCC represents a return to Rhodesia if they ever come to power. That is one of the reasons why in Harare here, even though there appear to be more CCC supporters, the majority of them who might not like ZANU-PF decide to stay at home because they understand this issue. And don't think they don't, they do. That the agenda of the CCC is a dangerous agenda. Like I told you earlier on, if the people removed, and he was not here, I want him to hear this. The people who removed Robert Mugabe They removed him because they said he was about to give this country to people who did not fight in the war of liberation, one. Two, that they were agents of imperialism, those people that they wanted to give their country to, and they removed Robert Mugabe. And those people have not gone anywhere, they are around.